Let's look at more connections. Language arts, the media. What is the role of the media in disasters? What role did the media play in the Hurricane Katrina disaster? Should it have been different, and if so, how? Sciences. Technology. What role did technology play in this event, before and after the hurricane? What role will it play in making change? Energy. Oil. Health, nutrition, and physical education. Emergency preparedness. Social studies. Global impact. How far-reaching is the impact of Katrina? Explore the extent of the impact within the U.S. and globally. Explore the response in the U.S. and globally. The United States government. The Department of Defense. Economics. What is the economic impact of Hurricane Katrina? Industries. The impact on transportation. Mathematics. The arts. Multimedia. Service learning. A global classroom. Here's a starter list on children's literature, a starter list on organizations,